Introduce features. Interest and fast overview of navycrest A1-cam 4K Wi-Fi Ultra HD 2160p car cam. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Equipped with Novatech chip plus GCCMOS plus 6G 170-degree wide-angle lens, A1-cam delivers professional 4K 30 fps videos and 12 megapixels photos, which is 4 times resolution of traditional 1080p cameras, which can vividly capture your driving moment, allowing more detailed evidence. Built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi transmitter, A1 car camera achieves blazing speed for file transfer. By using the app, you can monitor real-time videos. Adjust the car camera settings according to your preference and download recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone, then easily share them on social media. Performs well in color precision and clarity. GCCMOS sensor with f/1.8 big aperture (WDR) or wide dynamic range technology. Achieves super night vision by automatically balancing the exposure in extreme dark scenarios, obtaining clear videos whether day and night. Hidden space capsule design, compact, discreet, and removable design, never blocks your view. G-sensor, auto-locks the footage when impact happens whilst driving. Parking mode, auto power on, then shoot a video for evidence once the collision sensor triggered. Loop recording, deletes the old video to make space when the disk storage is full. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.